Okay, so
guys.
everyone gets a bag with a grenade in it.
Give it to Chris. He knows what to do with it.
Okay, we are gonna be unplugging.
Yeah, we're gonna explode the ores on the brain.
We're gonna be unplugging brain today. So, we got
I don't
this
really want
man.
mine. I don't even have a hip
I'm
slot, so yeah, I can't be. I could be the light source.
A large red pepper with no ice.
Yeah, I'll be the light source, okay, guys?
Nah.
You need a weapon though.
I'll take a Big Mac. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, I don't got a weapon.
God. Wait.
Wait.
They don't love me like you love you.
I love you.
Wait. Of course. I need something to like.
Both of you guys, no, actually, just take a gun.
I'm the worst
Yeah, I
shooter
don't have
ever.
hip slots.
Hold on.
Whatever.
Let me put in
I
the
have
bag.
pretty good aim, actually.
I'm good at melee weapons.
Okay, let's go. I'll be the light source.
Okay. Shy, we're now
Guys,
fighting.
I'm gonna be the light source. I'm gonna be the light source.
Okay. So, took a good bit of damage.
Are you guys here yet?
Almost.
We're coming. We're already going into the crack.
Okay. They're coming. Fire. What do you have in store? When I can't explore. I don't want to get any no more. This is the can't ignore it. I'm ready to put down the door. Still don't still.
Larry.
Yeah, Larry, calm down. Autistic Larry, calm down.
Did you kill him?
He's
Makey.
He's indestructible.
Oh!
Got him.
Yes! Okay, come on, guys.
Ah!
Wait, you killed him?
Yeah. Come on.
Wait, which way did you go?
Guys, over here.
I get kind of scared in this because I'm
Where are you guys?
solving.
I'm right behind you. By the way. I'm right behind you. Ow!
Bro, dead end.
Did you have to hit me?
I'm sorry.
You're fine though.
Follow me.
Go. Run.
We made it. Oh, none of us died. Hey. Yeah, you usually die on that point. Yo, guys, you guys want to know a secret? You guys want to know a secret that's pretty scary? That's actually scary?
What?
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I don't care. Come on.
You guys here? Cat, okay? Okay, Cass, okay?
Okay, do not make Mimic mad, guys.
Nope. Not this way.
Got me a shield.
Did they change?
Yo, guys, I dare one of you guys to open that. You have to hit it.
Oh. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, no,
can
hit
grab
it with.
White.
Yeah,
No, not that one. Upgrade.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, over
It's
here.
over here. It's over here.
I forgot the
Yeah, this is low-key kind of OP.
Oh, what is that?
What is that?
Water. That
Did
we
they
all
update
hate.
the game? Did they update it?
There's gonna be a new update. Yeah, they did update it.
Yeah, there's a new noise. This is a new noise. I'm just gonna turn it off in case.
I am known to just... You! White! That was white, that was white, that was white.
No, that wasn't, bro. I did not even hit the ground.
Me either.
Yeah, I don't know what
But
that
probably
did.
hit the ceiling.
I didn't...
Don't touch any of the tentacle things.
I'm right beside that.
He will absolutely kill you.
I think we know that.
I thought
Guys,
of that.
this is a dangerous task.
Here.
I'm talking to my
Okay,
viewers.
charge it
I see.
up,
I think we might be able to get to that.
Woo! We made
We
it!
made it.
That might be a record for us.
Easy like.
Guys, I'm already at
Not
the
a
floor.
record. Well, that kind of might be a record. I don't know.
For us. Do not touch tentacles.
Yeah.
You
Also,
really
wait
gotta
for
watch
us.
out or you're dead.
Bro, last time a tentacle grew right on me.
Guys, we don't need these. We don't need anything.
Bro,
Should I tell you that one of the tentacles?
No!
They can sometimes give you purple gems.
I swear, if we die here...
Wait, like research points? We'll give you research points?
Yeah. They sometimes give you. Yeah.
Bro, I need research points, bro. Can I ride? But I really want
Well, I
research
kind of
points.
brought the pickaxe.
Yeah, you did, though. So. Okay, guys.
If you want to do it again.
My hands bugging! Bro, do we have like a back?
Yeah.
Come on.
Then put the stuff in.
Come on, Banana, you got bottom.
Let me get on the bottom.
Guys, just pull up.
Yeah,
If you just hold it, we got this.
Oh, I'm stretching my arm as long as I can.
Guys, got this. Come on, guys. Oh!
We are.
White cat! Come on! Both hands! I am! I'll point as hard as I can.
Let's go! Get your bag, get your bag.
Put them in.
Bag them up.
That's all. That's all I can carry. Yeah, you guys hold that. Let's go.
Hey guys, hold on.
I already miss it. I
did it.
OG map.
We did it.
Man, I miss it. It's time to forget about it. Yeah.
This is about my 5th time doing this.
Guys, where are you?
We're coming.
We're going
Over here, across you.
thing area. Guys, you can walk on the water. Wait, this reminds me of the Christmas update.
I'm going.
Man, that brought me far back.
Same. Well, we got robots at least.
We didn't really need to go that far to get robots. We just did it for a video. And also,
I didn't know that was gonna kill me.
Is that all you needed me for? Just robots?
Yeah.
that's the only way how to get robots before they
Except-
added them, where you could buy it.
Yeah.
They used to be a rare item.
Okay, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. see you guys in the next
Oh,
video.
can I play you a song, guys?